G'day guys, Adrian from Lifestyle Adventures, just coming to you again with another unboxing video. This time we've got the Gentrax 3 kVA inverter generator. It runs on unleaded petrol. A couple of things you're going to need. You're going to need a screwdriver to take off the cap to put the oil in, and you're going to need some 1030 synthetic oil. Can be any brand. We just got Penrite, and I'm pretty sure it takes 900 mils, but we'll get into that a little bit later on. So I'm just going to crack open the box and start pulling some things out. Let you know what comes in the box. So we've got the user manual, got an earthing stick that I'm sure they'll recommend but no one ever does use. I've got a oil filling funnel which is nice and handy. Got a cover, pretty thin but better than nothing. Keeps it a bit protected when you're storing it or got it in your caravan. Alright guys, so we've got it unboxed. It's a pretty big unit. It's 28 kilos dry weight. It's about 29 and a half after you fill it up with oil and fuel. It's a much bigger unit than I thought it was going to be. We got it on sale for about 800 bucks. They say it's generally about 1600 bucks. Don't know if I believe that, but yeah, definitely a bigger unit than I thought it was going to be. It's got plenty of everything numbered, so you got your all your things numbered, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all that sort of thing. So it gives you, and in the instructions, it's got a pretty good instruction on how to get it going. Have a look at the end here. Got economy mode, engine on or off, output, overload, oil alert. Oil alert will come on if your oil is getting low. Your overload will come on if you're pushing too much power out of the thing. I'm not sure what that is to be honest. You've got a couple of AC outlets, 15 amp, 10 amp, and yeah, we'll slowly go through it. Spark plug access when you want to change that. You've got your exhaust there. I'll spin it around for you. Hot exhaust. This side you've got your choke, cold start, warm start. Quick start guide, those numbers I was telling you about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. On off switch, pull start. So what we'll do is we'll chuck a bit of fuel in it, we'll chuck a bit of oil in it, get the 15 amp cable. We bought this to run the aircon in our new hybrid camper, so we'll crack on with that. We'll go and get the cable, we'll plug it in, we'll fill her up and give her a test out. Guys, I'll quickly just show you. You got your fuel obviously in the top, holds 5.7 litres capacity. And I'll quickly just take this cover off and I'll show you where you fill your oil. It's great that it comes with a funnel, it saves a lot of mess. I recommend you change the oil for a quick service after the first 20 hours or however long it takes to run the 20 hours, and then another service every 100 hours after that. So just here's your oil filler plug, 900 mils of oil. And under here, you've got your air filter, and actually underneath is where the air intake is, which is probably not the greatest design if you got it sitting on a dirty ground. But it's air cooled, so if you're in a hot area, I'd probably put it somewhere where there's a bit of breeze so it doesn't overheat. Alright guys, so we're going to give it a quick run in for half an hour or so before we connect it up to the van and put any load on it. So we'll just turn it on here, turn it on here, open up the breather for the fuel tank, put the choke into cold start, yep. And we'll see if she cranks over the first go. Doesn't look like it's going to happen. Right, well I had the wrong switch turned on, didn't I? Alright guys, so we bought this generator to power our aircon and other bits and pieces in our caravan. If we're desperately hot or any other reason we can't get charged for the solar or anything. So I'll quickly spin you around looking at the control panel. You can see there it is discharging, we've got no power going to it, we're under the carport at 82%. So we'll quickly run around here, plug her in, and we'll get the aircon going hopefully and see how she goes. Alright, I'll quickly start her up. By the way, this here is for the spot I showed you earlier for the earthing spot. Can't say I've seen that before. So we'll make sure she's on. It's on economy mode. Right, so we've got it plugged in, and I'll show you the control panel now. We are, I don't know if you can read it there, charge, we're charging, that's a bonus. Turn the aircon on, boom, 16 degrees. Didn't hear the generator strain at all. Hasn't really changed its rev range. I'll chuck on some extra things. Got the ceiling lights on. Outside lights are on. A couple extra switches. Bedroom light power, dining light power. Lights are on. No dramas. So, as you can see, 16 degrees. Nice cold air coming out. Lights on. We don't usually run too much power. We'll flick all that off. Turn the aircon off. So that's it guys. I'll sign off guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll try and make a few more of these videos. We've got a video coming up of a kick-ass 75 litre fridge freezer dual zone, so that'll be a good one. We'll chuck into our camper, which is right there. We're going to do a walk around on our new camper. I'll show the ins and out of it. It's a 13-foot hybrid, so I look forward to that one. See you soon. Cheers.